Most homebuyers focus so much on their down payment that they are completely blindsided by the thousands of dollars required for closing costs at the end of the deal. Closing costs typically range from 2 to 5% of the total purchase price, but you do not always have to be the one who pays them. The most effective strategy is to ask for a seller concession, where the seller agrees to use a portion of their profit to cover your professional fees and prepaid items. In a slower market, many sellers are willing to pay these costs just to ensure the deal closes quickly and stays on schedule. You can also negotiate with your lender to see if they offer a no closing cost mortgage, where the bank covers the fees in exchange for a slightly higher interest rate. Always shop around and compare loan estimates from at least 3 different lenders, because application and processing fees vary wildly between banks. You should also review your final closing disclosure carefully to look for junk fees that can sometimes be removed or reduced just by asking. Visit homebuyingrealty.com to download our closing cost negotiation script and learn exactly what to say to save thousands on your next home purchase.